Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Unstoppable Wallet. Creating an Unstoppable Wallet account is a straightforward process. First of all, make sure to download the Unstoppable application on your mobile device and launch it open. From the first interface, tap on the next button, and when you see this kind of an interface, tap on New Wallet. Go through the terms and conditions before creating a wallet. Check all of these boxes and tap on I agree at the bottom. Go ahead and give a name to your wallet and tap on Create. You'll now need to back up your recovery phrases, which will allow you to recover your wallet if your phone is lost, stolen, or broken. You can go ahead and back up your recovery phrases to iCloud, or if you want to manually back it up, tap on Manual Backup. Make sure that you keep your secret recovery phrases safe and hidden. Do not reveal your recovery phrases to anyone, since if you do, you might lose your funds from your wallet. Tap on this tab to show recovery phrase box in order to reveal your recovery phrases. Once you reveal it, go ahead and copy your recovery phrase and write down in a piece of paper. Once you are done, tap on the Verify button at the bottom. Now enter the recovery phrases that matches the order. Select the two words from the list that matches the order as shown on the screen. Right after you do that, you will be able to verify your wallet. Once you've created or imported your wallet, you can start using Unstoppable Wallet to receive, send, and manage your cryptocurrency. Also, go ahead and explore other features such as built-in decentralized exchange and NFT support. So that's how easily you can sign up or create a new account on Unstoppable Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.